Every time you look up at the night sky, you're not just staring at stars, you're looking at your own history. Because the truth is, you're made of stardust, literally. Nearly every atom in your bones, your blood, and the oxygen you're breathing right now was forged inside a star that died billions of years ago. That's not poetry, that's physics. Welcome to Clay Science UK, where we turn the universe into something you can actually picture. Today, we're uncovering the secret history of stardust inside your bones, and by the end, you'll understand why your body is proof that the universe recycles everything. Let's start with the moment of creation, not of you, but of your atoms. More than 7 billion years ago, before the Earth even existed, giant stars lived fast and died spectacularly. When they exploded in supernovae, they created heavy elements, calcium, iron, oxygen, everything your bones and blood are made of. Those atoms were thrown into space at millions of kilometers per hour, drifting for eons before finding a new home inside a newborn solar system. And that solar system? It became ours. The calcium in your bones was created long before the sun. The iron in your blood was made by stars that lived and died before Earth was even a cloud of dust. You are, quite literally, older than your planet. Now, here's the part most people don't know. Stardust isn't rare. It's everywhere. Every breath you take contains molecules that were once inside a star. The air around you is ancient. The carbon dioxide you exhale today could have once swirled through the atmosphere of another world. So next time someone says, "You're just human," remember, you're the universe, pretending to be human for a little while. After billions of years floating through the void, that dust started to come together again. Gravity gathered it into a massive swirling cloud, the same cloud that would form the sun and all 8 planets. But not all the dust joined planets. Some remained as comets and asteroids, time capsules of the early solar system. When Earth formed, it was bombarded by those cosmic leftovers, delivering not only stardust, but also water, carbon compounds, and the chemistry for life itself. Fast forward 4.5 billion years. That same cosmic material evolved into everything alive today. Trees, oceans, animals, and you. The atoms that once burned in ancient stars now make up your muscles, bones, and brain. In fact, about 93% of your body's mass comes from elements forged in stars, everything except the hydrogen, which dates back to the Big Bang itself. That means part of you is even older than the stars themselves, and that's the part scientists find most poetic. The universe created conditions for consciousness out of the very same dust that once lit up galaxies. In a way, the universe became self-aware. Through you. Here in the UK, when you sip your cup of tea, the oxygen in that water and the carbon in the sugar were once part of those same stellar explosions. Every molecule in your cuppa has traveled through time and space for billions of years before landing in your hands. So yes, you really are made of stars, but you're also the stars thinking about being human. Now that you know your body's true origin story, let's talk about what it means. Every time you breathe, you're recycling the atoms of countless lives, human, animal, and cosmic. You share air molecules with every creature that ever lived and with every star that ever died. The hydrogen in your cells has existed since the dawn of the universe, 13.8 billion years. The calcium in your bones predates the Earth. The iron in your blood was forged in the death of ancient suns. And in a few billion years, when our sun dies, your atoms, the same ones forged in other stars, will be scattered again into space. Someday, they might become part of another world, another life form, another story. The cycle continues. That as the secret history of stardust in your bones, a story that began long before you, and one that will keep going long after. So next time you look up at the night sky, don't just see distant stars. See family. Because you're made of the same stuff. If you enjoyed this journey through space, time, and the atoms that built you, make sure to subscribe to Clay Science UK. We make science visual, human, and unforgettable. Every day at 6 p.m. GMT. And remember, you're not just in the universe is in you.